this timing gear set from Rock Auto, and this is made by Milling. Now I wrote Dodge 318 because that's the identification I want to put on there so I don't get it confused with other things that I have in stock. And I popped it open because I wanted to see what it looked like. Obviously it's a dual sprocket, and on the side of the box it says made in USA, right? Okay, so we pop that thing open with some difficulty, and what do I have? It says it's made in Taiwan. False advertising? I don't know. Do I trust this in my vehicle? I don't think I can. I'm not sure. The state of today's auto parts.